this chain is breaking down. As you can see, it's going very
really badly.
Look, the thing's flashing, and it's slowing down.
Also,
It's slowing down.
Also, the talking went all fuzzy. It went,
There's this man, yeah, and he's really cute. He's actually quite fit as well, yeah, and he's about 16. And we were, oh look, there he is. Let's quickly try and get a bit of him. So there he is. There's a flower. Oh, anger.
I wonder what one is mum.
Stop. Okay, so these people following us right down there.
Oh,
and now we're at the end of the train. As you can see, they're like these seats, and it stinks of fart. It stinks of fart. It